Hey guys, today is September 7th, 2023, and I'm going to make raw tomato juice from our garden tomatoes. And I've quartered these. I've washed them, quartered them, and I filled up the Vitamix. And I have a teaspoon of sea salt, 1 jalapeno pepper, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice for 1 full canister of tomatoes. Ready to roll. I'm sparing you guys the brrr of the blender, which is quite noisy. And I started out on 2, and then I turned it up to 5 or 6, and let it pulse for around 30 seconds. You just want to get, see, there's tomato skin in there, and you can see the tomato skin, the tiny little pieces, and which is no big deal once you get it done. You don't even taste unless there's a large piece that doesn't get blended. So I believe this was 44 seconds from the time I hit start. Well, I just tasted it, and it has got the zing that I like. I love hot peppers. That's 1 jalapeno pepper in there. Yum, yum. Now all you need is a little pepper on top.